Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will compare two innovative products designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. The DXJJ portable washing machine is a compact, foldable washer with a 10L capacity, while the DFJKJUU portable washing machine offers a larger 16L capacity and includes a spin dryer. Let's dive into the details and see which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a 10L capacity, which is suitable for small loads like underwear and baby clothes. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine boasts a larger 16L capacity, making it a better option for those who need to wash more items at once. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you're traveling or living in a compact space. In terms of features, the DXJJ model is fully automatic, allowing for a hands-free washing experience. However, it lacks a spin dryer. In contrast, the DFJKJUU model includes a removable spin dryer, which enhances its functionality by allowing you to dry your clothes right after washing. This added feature can save you time and effort, especially in a busy lifestyle. Both machines offer 3 cleaning modes, but they differ in operation. The DXJJ model features 3 intelligent time modes, while the DFJKJUU model provides 3 time-based cleaning modes, allowing for more precise control over your washing. This distinction can be crucial for users who prefer specific wash times for different types of laundry. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and DFJKJUU portable washing machines offer unique advantages tailored to different needs. The DXJJ is perfect for those seeking a compact, fully automatic solution, while the DFJKJUU provides a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin dryer. Which one will you choose for your laundry needs? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.